In this video, I will show you how to fix your internet connection. First, hit over to search. View network connection. We select your main connection. For me, it's this Ethernet. We click on right click and then properties. We double click Internet Protocol version 4. We click on use the following. Then server address and we type 88888844. Okay, and we apply. Second, go to search again, device manager, network adapter, and we select our Wi-Fi and we click on update driver. Search for automatic drivers. The base driver for your device are already installed. And like that, we updated the Wi-Fi. First step is to run cmd as administrator and write IP config /flash DNS and write this command too, and then you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. And that's all. I hope you liked the video.